I mean this. Now when you open up the grill now, boom. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, you know. This police man moves up on a bike early in the morning and we are head out. You see what I say? And I go St. Elizabeth side. I go pick up a cylinder, a gas cylinder, because I've been searching far and wide for about a month now for a cylinder, because from I come to Jamaica I tell myself I want a grill. I want to get a jerk pan. But you have to buy the cylinder cash with the gas in there, and that's not what I want. I wanted an empty pan. I call around everywhere. Couldn't get the empty pan. So for my friend where I see this, big up yourself, you know, share. Yeah man, aka Andine, you know the thing go. Yeah man, big up yourself. So I touch down in the St. Elizabeth and now come pick up my jerk, not my jerk pan, because I jerk pan it. Come pick up my gas pan. She sourced it from a friend, so she went far and wide to get this to me. So big up yourself, my friend, and enough love for the support, said speed. Yeah man, so I head out now and see me can grab that. And then me have a big man where him say him can build the grill then, because he do welding and them thing there and he build grill. So I go bring the jerk pan, not the jerk pan. I call it into existence because I'm a jerk pan already. Now I'm going to bring the cylinder to him and him going to make the jerk pan for me, you see me? So, yeah man, follow me along the journey. I make you know how much it costs and all of that stuff, you see me? But the cylinder themselves is a 100 pound cylinder. Sometimes you can use like the jump pan, the metal jump pan, but I can't find none of that. I don't want nothing so big, so what I want to use is the cylinder. And that's what we're heading for right now, you see me? Think of 9,500 for an empty cylinder, 100 pound. So, as I say, my source is far and wide and I just get it, you see me? So I go ahead in I sent you now. I go and look up you up on the journey. Yeah, I could see what I go on. Yeah man, so right in here, so KFC there over there, so National Housing Trust there, so you don't know we in a Santa Cruz town. I see me can send up the drown. Yeah man. Santa we up in on the area though. Yeah man. Santa Cruz. Up in the area. So yeah, we're there in a Santa, you know. Yeah man, you say something come down. Hold on, may I come? Yeah man, so me up in on the area, you know, people. You know something come down already. So St. Elizabeth people, what I go on with? Sun hot down here, do you know? Yeah man, the sun hot down here, man. Alright, I know so I got a parking there for me, you know. Sure, better make sure I have my parking in there, you know. Oh. So we just pull up, you know, I go try to get the jump on now. Alright, give me a couple minutes and I call back here. Yo, Senti. Where the sun is plenty, man. Hot like a dog. Oi, I saw down here hot, man. Me I sweat like a hog. No, sir. I see my bad broke friend. Alright, St. Elizabeth, I'm here. I'm here, Senti. I'm here. Pull up my bad breed friend. So yeah, you don't know me reaching, sweater beat me hot. But see my friend, I will go far and wide, we dig deep and narrow. See how Cheryl, you know, good girl. So if you're in a Santa Cruz town, come check her out. Where plaza name, Cheryl?
Central Plaza. Central Plaza.
She's shy, but in rank in her real life. So Central Plaza, I'm showing her where I go on, yeah? So from the touch in a Santa Cruz, Central Plaza. So we do a unique party decor and more, you see what I say? So So check her out. Anything you want for your birthday party, she got you covered, you see me? In a Central Plaza. Good girl, also me I tell you, know her from me did about grade 8. You see me, party rentals, all of them something there? And you don't know, she make a wicked egg sandwich, same way, you know? Yeah. So I come check her out, you see me? And she give me the cylinder. Let me turn the camera. Tap run for the camera and I'm going to buy from you. She buy me one cylinder. Come the man and tell people say buy me one cylinder. Yeah, she buy me a cylinder. Yeah, tell them I go on and that I come pick up. So I can make one jerk pan, but yeah, she shy so I now to force her on the camera. Yeah, so you don't know me, I go pick up my cylinder. Come in, Chef. I have to lead the way. Can't walk up in the kitchen. Go on, people go see stranger come in the kitchen. You know more? Alright, I'm this ramp with me, you know. See it there?
Oh yeah.
It's a thin door to the cut this, eh? So see it the people I come for. That's it. Maybe we can't manage 100 pounds. I'm probably 100 pounds in the full, man. This is one jerk pan. I bought the jerk chicken. The empty marriage. This will give me a nice fat jerk pan, you know? You know it, man? Ramp with me, you know? Fit. What go on? I'm an internet man. My internet not so good with me there, man. My internet not so good with me there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you there home today?
Yes, man, I'm there home.
Oh, cause me get a cylinder. Remember I talked to you the other day about the for build the grill? To build the jerk pan?
Yes.
Alright. How long you say it take to build it?
And the big one again?
I get the 100-pound cylinder.
Oh. Yeah, about Wednesday, Thursday.
So I could come, I don't St. Elizabeth now. So I come pick up. I could drop it off to you today?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I got build a jerk pan for me, so. You say by now on Wednesday, today or Friday. By now on Wednesday not bad. Alright, so I go see if I can look one thing there right now. One thermometer to put on the grill. Then a Santa. I go and look if you are walk on. Then I thought. Now them set there. Green building. Okay. So man, we're in a Santa Cruz. You know a vibe go. Arcade and the whole night yards out there. 70 people wanna say. You know, in the year right now. Our sun out there hot though, and I light too now. Our sun out there hot. I think I'm in there so. I'm gonna pass, somebody make me cross. Let me cross, mama, let me cross. Go in and see if we find it in here. And I say, Harbour Dash. Hello, morning, good afternoon. I'm part of the Harbour Dash, they will sell kitchen stuff. The other side also? Alright, thanks. Alright, so I see a whole heap of Dutch in here. Let me see if I can. Okay. Turn the camera showing what I go on. Okay. Alright. Personal lamp on the whole 9 yards. I'm going to talk to them people and see if I find it. I'm not none in that, so. Oh, the Dutch pot, let me see much of them Dutch here. I want a couple of them here, you know. I want a couple of them here for you. Yeah. Oh. Ah, see more on there, you know. $5,000 ain't no bad. For cold stove them. And I want 2 of this. But I have the carry already. So I get 2 of that for you. I find out, so if we get 2 of this, I take a picture of this because I want 2 of them. But I don't think I will pass it in them one normally carry still, you know. So would I beat 1 of that, 1 soup, one for fried chicken. You see me? 1 of them have to stir fry. Then I'm going to invest in some of them. Real Dutch here. You see me? 1 for rice. I'm going to invest in some of them. I know them are fancy sitting here, man. Them are not Dutchy. You see me? Them are a foreign pot. Them are a foreign pot. We are talking about the real Dutch pot them. My China man, 90,000 for 1 pot, you know? 1 pot. It ain't big still, but I don't pay 100,000 for 1 pot right now. You mad? Unless you run one big restaurant you need it, but now pay 100 grand for a pot, man. Oh, my hot out here, I part the building where I come from, over there. My hot out here, you fret. My back is sweat. You see that I'm hot? My back sweat, you know. Yeah, man. Showing it to me, I show them my face. I told me I'm supposed to show them. Flip my camera where I do. Showing it to me, my face, I show them. You see, I'm back to school car kid up online. And all that thing them, you know. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to left out that place now and touch it. Yeah, I left this place now and go back up on my yard and drop off the pants to the jerk pant can build, you see me? But yeah, then on the town, I should have flight my drone, you know. I'm sitting up at top and build up, man. I want to go on up at top and I forgot to ask my friend. Well, man, check out my friend if you're there in our place, you know, my people. Check her out, come support our business over here, so. Over Central Plaza, you see me? Yeah, go and check her out.
Early the next morning.
Alright, my friends, in the early morning, just rise up, I get the pan. Never get to drop it off yesterday because it was night time. So, I'm going to drop it off right now for the big man build it up for me. You know what I say? I can't go give big man make him deal with it for me. Alright, so tomorrow now, see boss have him grill house around here, so I go come in and come deal with it tomorrow. Alright, so just drop off the grill. The big man I go start it out for me, so I'm going to start it tomorrow. Hopefully, I can come by tomorrow. So I can get a little recording phone of show how we start cutting and them things. You know, keeping up to date with what I want. So we check back in, big up on yourself. Car hot like a fire.
The next day.
Good afternoon. I go on there. You see I have one sample one on the corner there, man. Yeah. Are you this? Yeah.
You can't believe you fuck that listen there from this one guy come here, so.
That's true. I always go in the gym and lift up the little
Yeah.
iron them, you know?
Wait. I want to wait. We have been lifting up.
One to keep it clean in our rust now.
One to clean up in our rust.
You're not just get a man who do welding, but also teach you on a academic level, eh?
Get a man who me have to pay. Okay, now me have to pay him.
Yeah. Can you pass the teaching stage, eh? I say go, but you put value, you know, say I pay for value.
You know I love money, man.
See, grill here. That come on nicely.
Several days later.
You don't know a thing, I'm just gonna pick up the grill. Looks a little bit rough right now, but just give it some time when we paint it up nicely. You see me? But so far, we have the rack, it's removable. So You can do this, you can take it off when you travel with it. You can move it off, you know what I say? I made it that way so it can come off. As I say, you can store stuff down there, so. You get me forward from? And use that to lock it so you can open the pan. Swing it back, open the pan. They have the two handlebars that you use to lift up the grill, right? Then over this side now, put the coal inside. Open it. So there, this is where you're gonna open up to put the extra coal in when you need to add some coal. Right? This is where the top of the cylinder was, like where you have the gas would dispense, and I told him, you know what? Don't put the vent here, put it right here, just a little hose. Let out the extra smoke. You see what I say? Now when you open up the grill now, boom, showing you the features of the grill. Don't worry about all of this. I'm gonna clean this up properly, right? But here's the good part. I asked the person to cut one of these sheets for me so I can use this if I want to make any pancake, anything I want to put some roast fish, I can put it on this. Just I go wash this nice and clean. So I asked him to cut it to the size to fit right here. Perfectly, right? Again, I do this like I have one of them professional grill there. So, you know, I do this different from the regular jerk pan you see on the road. Boom. I have a rack up here to keep the stuff them nice and cool. Or nice and warm. So you don't grill down here, so you put them up at top. So if you take a better look, you'll see where I go on inside there. So this is the big part about this grill. Removable. So I can take them and I done jerk up my chicken and thing. And I carry them in the kitchen and scrub them down nicely. So you can remove them. It's like set up like an oven where you just slide this back on. And you have the top piece, right? Move that. Guess what again? Bam. Wait, my hand now grippy good. Removable. You get what I say? So we no grill down nothing. We no well down nothing. We make sure so we can take them out. You get me? Carry them in my kitchen or anywhere scrub them down. Don't worry about all of them things. Yeah? You know water and thing rust. And then if you look inside here now, we have a big barrel. Enough space to keep all our coal them and them thing there. Yeah. I think I'm probably going to cut a piece of zinc and put it in the bottom so that the coal don't go directly on here and burn it out before the time. You know what I say? But yeah, I searched high and wide for a grill and I couldn't find any. And it's good because I wanted to design this how me want my thing to design. And I got it done just the way I wanted it. So that is a plus. You get me forward from? Yeah man, that is a plus. I got it to look exactly how I wanted it. When you just stay tuned for the coming weeks or coming days when we just get some soap and Scotch Brite, scour down in them place and get out the rust. You know how I'm going to keep it out. Get out the rust and then I'm going to add some wood and coal inside and just burn it. So them things I get burned off and them stuff there. See what I say? But yeah man, that is it for right now. This is everything is removable. Fits nicely. Yeah man. And I weed that, you know. I weed that. As I said before, I just go do a nice little paint job. And you don't know. Hope you enjoy this. You see what I say? Hope some people get some inspiration. If you don't have a grill in your yard or a jerk pan, go out there, find yourself a gas drum. If you want a smaller grill, you can go to a smaller one. I know them have a lot of oil barrels, people use those, but this is the size that I wanted. Nothing too big, just good enough to keep. Tomorrow, I feel like I'm going to jerk something on it tomorrow. I have some chicken in the fridge I want to season up and jerk. I feel like I'm going to get that done. You see me? So, I just want to give a big shout out to the man that work on the grill. Big up on yourself, enough love for the love. Big shout out to my friend who sourced this from a friend. If you get me the jump on. You see what I say? Yeah. And big shout out to me for the creative idea behind how I want the grill to make. And big shout out to the person behind the camera. Big up yourself. You know the vibe. Like, comment, share. Hit subscribe. Stay tuned, man, for me start jerk up on my grill. Don't. You can smell it already, you know. Now go down I want to place down one pot and chop some pimento wood, throw them in with some coal, and we're good to go. So that's right. I hope you did enjoy the video. As I said before, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like. You see me? I say, if you love my vibe, hit subscribe. See, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself. Me that.